Yo! What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reacting to top 5 boat. I actually have a boat. It's an inflatable kayak. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's get into it.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Today we have a list of top 5 boat.
How many boats?
Número 5. Boat free.
Boats can't fly, dude. Oh my god, that boat's actually flying.
Número 4.
Yo, that's pretty
Alligator on boat.
Why would you put an alligator on a boat?
Número 3. Boat drive.
That kind of looks like the SpongeBob boats. Yeah. Licenses.
Número 2. Boat jumpscare.
How can boats be scary? Oh my
Honorable mention.
gosh. Dude, did you see that?
Número 1.
Wow.
Boat spawn.
Boat spawn. Where did that thing come from? Alright guys, well if you guys are just as perplexed as I am, then hit the subscribe button and comment Chiefs or 49ers. Personally, I got and a fry. Alright guys, adios.
And a fry?